Is it going?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, YouTube. Something, don't show my address. Something came in the mail today. I think I know what it is. Man, I was literally sitting there wondering, like, I wonder if there's anything I could possibly film today to have an upload today, because I couldn't think of anything. Now here we go. God, if it doesn't work out, then I won't be able to post this video. But hopefully, this is a test print of the first design I made. It's very basic. There's going to be more detailed ones. Let me give that warning. But let's see. Oh, it looks good. I was very
It's getting dark, buddy. How do you make it lighter?
Click on it.
Oh, got it. Okay.
I was very worried about this design because it has like transparencies on it, and I wasn't sure how it was going to come to print, but are you ready? Oh my God. Woo!
How's
Wow.
it look?
It looks pretty good.
I want to see. Wow.
Must
That looks cool.
be nice.
Wow. Woohoo!
Ooh, it's a good fit. This is a large. Oh, wow. Not too shabby.
We should take a picture against the wall there. Or you should, I mean.
Go that way.
Okay.
What do you think?
And it looks good. It looks cool.
So, oh my God, enough of the notifications. As you can see, it's got, adjust the lighting here. It's got a faded look to it, a worn kind of faded thing. I didn't want it to be, you know, just all one, like just plain text. I wanted there to be something interesting about it. A little grungy looking, if you will. Nice pattern design for all those looking to cover up the geography of their front bodies. Like myself. Yeah. So as I said, this is just the first, this is just the first design I came up with. I've got a good friend of mine, designer, graphic artist, computer graphics, working on possible designs. I want to come up with my own stuff, maybe like a little logo or something. More complex, more detailed things in the works. I just want a nice plain text, cool looking type of thing, and it came and it looks good to me. Let me know what you think. Obviously this is not public yet. If anyone feels that there's something that needs to be changed about it, you know, you could give me a tip. I think it's good for me. I'd wear this, probably will wear it often. And yeah, it just, honestly, the print came out, I don't know how to make this not so bright. The like kind of faded parts came out even better than I thought they would have. I was really afraid we would have gotten some kind of issues with opacity, but no, they kicked ass. WiLLo Davis, got a little fade on that too, a couple of parts. I think it's iconic. Do you think it's iconic? Must be nice. We're uploading a video to Jamie's channel, actually. It's almost done. Hopefully we'll get that up today, you think?
Sammy's texting me, she said, didn't you start the trends? You should get $1.
You're sending it to people already? It's top secret.
Royalties. Did he even buy the rights or get a trade more?
Tell her it's top secret. She can't share that yet. Anyway, I'm going to link Jamie's channel. It's going to be up in the corner there. It's going to be at the end of the video and in the description. So you can check it out. It was a get ready with me makeup tutorial, cruelty-free and vegan. So be sure to support that, please. Must be nice. Must be nice. Yeah, let's keep this one short. Jamie and I are going. I'm doing a vlog for the weekend too, so keep an eye out for that. Maybe tomorrow, or it's a long weekend, so maybe not. We'll see. Okay. Thanks, everybody. Get hyped. Let me know what you think. WiLLo Davis out. Okay, sorry, one more thing. I showed this design to my friend Chris, who's the one who's working on the other stuff, helping me out with the designs. He does all this stuff. He's great at it. He's feeling a little meh about this whole thing going on. He's thinking about repositioning it a little bit or something like that. I don't know, but maybe we'll offer it so. This could change slightly. Let me know what you think. Maybe it'll be a variation of it. We'll see. It's all in the works. We're doing this all ourselves. But just wanted to give an update. Proof that I am working on this. Let me know what you think. Bye. Sorry. One more thing about it. Chris just sent me his design, and it is incredible, and I'm not gonna show it yet, but holy shit is it good. Look forward to that. Thanks.